non-standard typewriter number 2. Serial number is in the bottom around here, so it's very hard to look at, so I took a picture. See, its number is 6788. That means it was manufactured in 1901, very early version. When I look up the typewriter database, this is very early version. There is no any earlier serial number than this one. So I think this is a very early version. It's very dirty. I mean, we need to clean a lot, but I wanna just review for how it works. This is a little bit different mechanism. So there are two function key, right? So one for the cap, one for the figure. That means this typewriter each has 3 character, right? Yeah. So 3 different position. This is a regular position, right? And it's a very funny or very smart mechanism here. There is here 2 different dip, right? One for the cap is just like in the middle, it is stop, and then capital, it's go until the bottom, right? And then 2 rock, they are very smart way. In order to lock this one, just like this, right? And then it was a rock. Only for the cap and the cap. No, I mean figure. And then after unlock, for cap, see there is a hole in the here, right? You can see the hole, right? And then that hole, we can use the same lever, same holder for lock. See, like this. There is a hole here. See, yeah. It's a little bit harder to see, but see, there is a hole. So, yeah, very smart way. And then another unique thing is this is like ink well, and then this is a ink pad or ink roller. If we hit any key, it goes up and then hit the ink roller first, and then move to the pattern. That means on the paper. So make print the letter. But this one missing the bottom here, original part. So I look up the someone send it to how to works around here, and I ask. So someone send some video how to work this one around here, and then I realize this one missing some part. So I look at the bunch of the spring. I got a lot of spring, so I choose the one correct tension of the spring to make like same to do the same function. So now it's very perfect. So after hitting several times, the spring goes down. So I hold it using the thread. See, the white part is the thread. So right now it works perfect. See, it means for the ink Okay, we need put the ink here, reserve, like a tank, the ink well, and then every time hit any key, it move the ink roller move to the around here and then get the ink. So each time like this. See, this is a turning like this, and then also this hit the ink well, and then get the ink, and then also this one turn. So ready for the next letter. See? Oh. Something wrong? Oh yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, it's okay, I think. Yeah, something like that. See, it should be turned like this. It's very good, right? Yeah. I put some bottom on the here spring, very soft spring, then it works perfectly as it should. See? Yeah. Together turn this one, also this one. So that's the very unique thing. So put the ink a lot here, and that means it function like ink well. I put back this one, okay? So without open this one, we cannot see how it works, right? Now we realize so they don't use the real ribbon, right? They use the real ink. I wanna try some letter, okay? I apply this ink with just the ink pad. Then I wanna try, and then this okay. This right now it's like unlock on the. Normally it should be like this, right? Like this. So like a space bar, right? But for the carriage release, we need to open like this. Then we can move this one. It's like a pre. See, and then this is the escapement, right? If hit any key, that means it's go, and then we hit this one, and then see, it's like a space bar. Hit this one. After that, this carriage, I mean the escapement, we can move like a one this way. Okay, let's see the first like this, and then now we can move left side because it's like this. After hit, we can move that. So this is escapement, this one. But right now it's draw code is broken, so we can test for bell like this. See, there is a bell behind. You can see this bell function. Yeah, same. So manually, I wanna type some letter. First, you need to put space by the original position, and then it hit the capital, and then lock, and then I hit the Y. Okay. Okay, let's see. See? Yongnokshin. I use the temporary this one. So too much ink and then we need to put the ink instead of here, but I apply here, so that's why it's dirty, but it works, right? Yeah. And then bell works, and then it's this one is line space, right? Yeah. Yeah, very old typewriter, but very good. Still very good. Okay, we can take off this one. I already unscrew. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Wow.